Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look at the video in front of you. It's a gangster in Bahamas by the name of Steven Dle Stubbs. Leader, or one of the leader of the one other gang over there, believe it or not. Listen, this video are some videos on Bahamas, and the gangster and them lifestyle will be featuring on this channel. So I want you to stay tuned. In the meantime, I'm gonna play a little clip about Steven Dle Stubbs. You understand, so you can get familiar with it. And then I am going to wrap up Marlon, Bill, White Boy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let's go. Steven Dle Stubbs struggled with police officers today as he was escorted back to prison on day 3 of his murder trial. Officer Ryan identified Stubbs seated in the prisoner's dock as the suspect he spotted with the weapon. He said he later retrieved the gun with 2 live rounds of ammunition from under the car before proceeding to the entrance of Club Rock, where the lifeless body of Corporal Jimmy Ambrose lay.
Meanwhile, Stubbs' mother, Natalie, maintains that her son is innocent and he isn't the kind of man to fight or use a gun. Rather, she says another man is responsible for Ambrose's death.
My son's innocent. And then life, one thing's a God above, and God writing all the time, and God don't stop. And I'm a praying woman, and I go in the sackcloth and ask for them, for the serious lie they lie on my son. My son is that kind of person. You want to know my son is, you go in the neighborhood, go and race and ask them kind of child he is. He that kind of person that shoot nobody's, and him and me and Ambrose, mother them, all that's from the same church. They lie on my son, and any police who mean to speak the truth, they can tell you. Anytime they search him, they meet him in the street and they search my son. Only they find my son folks a little testament. That's all they store on him.
So stay tuned for the Bahamas gang video. Steven Stubbs, one other gang, and more videos coming up. Okay? So stay tuned to that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.